Good morning, students. So, today, as you can see, our topic is totally different. That means every Saturday, we will do mental maths and reasoning. And you can write down these questions in some other copy, not in your classwork copy. This type of questions already you have given the metro level exam. So, these type of questions are related to the metro level exam. Okay, you can make another copy for it, but school copy. In your home you can make some rough copy and you can write down the questions. So before starting this, also one thing, on Friday I'm going to upload one worksheet related to does it look the same, chapter 5 of your NCERT book. So download the PDF and solve that worksheet, and afterwards I will give the solution of that worksheet. Okay, so let's start. So first question is a number puzzle. As you can see, it's number puzzle. So what is the question here? Here it's 2, 6, 18, then 6, 24, 96, and here it's dash. You have to fill in the dash. Now what is the relation? You can see here 2, 2 3s are 6, and 6 3s are 18. Again here 6 4s are 24, and 24 into 4, 96. Here there is gap. It is 25 and 125. So in the gap, what will be the number? So first one we are multiplying with 3. 2 3s are 6, 6 3s are 18. Then we are multiplying with 4. 6 4s are 24 and 24 4s are 96. And here it will be 5, because 5 5s are 25 and 25 into 5, 125. So here your answer will be 5. So better let me write down here. Your answer will be 5. Now the next question is find the missing number. Find the missing number. Now what are the numbers? You have 1, 9, 25, 49, dash and 121. So what will be the missing number? You can do like this way. 1 means 1 into 1 is 1. Then 3 into 3, 9. 5 into 5, 25. 7 into 7, 49. Then here it will be, there is one gap always. You can see here 1 into 1, 1. Then 3 into 3, 9. Then 5 into 5, 25. Then 7 into 7, 49. Here it will be 9 into 9, 81. And here it is already given 11 into 11, 1 to 1. So in gap, this will be 9 into 9, 81. So here you write down 81. Now the next question is 100,000 minus 99999 equals to dash. So what is 100,000? 100,000 means you can write down like this way. 100, and in 1000 how many zeros are there? 3. So add the 3 zeros. 1 2 3. This is 100,000 minus 9 9 9 9 and 9. So if you subtract, what will be your answer? It will be 1. So your answer is 1. Now next one is how many thousands are there in 10 lakhs? How many thousands are there in 10 lakhs? So I have already done it. First you write down 10 lakhs at the top, this one. Okay, here you have written 10 lakhs, and below give divide sign, write down 1000, because here it is written how many thousands are there in 10 lakhs. So at the top I have written 10 lakhs and below I have written 1000. Then these three zeros and these three zeros, you cancel it. So what is the answer? 1000. That means how many thousands are there, means you have thousands are there in 10 lakhs. So your answer is 1000. That means thousands are there in 10 lakhs. On the next one, it is related to coding and decoding. This type of questions you have also done in Metro. So what is the question? If deal, DEAL, if deal is coded as 45112, what should be the code for lady? So here it is written deal, the coding is 45112. Now how it is coming? Now D, if you write down A as 1, B as 2, C as 3 and D as 4. So here see A, B, C and D. D is 4. Then E is 5. A is 1 and L. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L. So it's 12. So 4, 5, 1, 12. So the next one is lady. You have to write down the code for lady. So L again 12, A is 1, D is 4 and Y is 25, because up to Z it is 26, so Y is 25. Next one is if Noida. If Noida is written as 39658, how will India be written? If Noida is written as 39658, how will India be written? So what is the coding here? Noida 39658. So just watch this coding. Noida, it's written as 39658. Okay. Now what India will be written? So here you can see I6. So here I will be 6. Then here N is 3. So here N 3. D 5. D 5. Then I 6. So here also I 6 and A 8. Here also A 8. Now next one is find the missing number. Find the missing number. Okay, so this is the number. You have to find out the missing number. So here you have to see the pattern. What is the pattern? 2, then 4, then 6, then 8. That means plus 2. 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 2 8. And this side also 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 2 7 and 7 plus 2, this one will be 9. So this one answer will be 9. Okay. Now next one is find the next two terms in the series ACFJ, and there are 2 dash. You have to find out the next two terms. So here there is one rule that you have to find. So the rule is like, this is the rule. Here A, C, F, J is given. You have to write down the next two terms. I have written the answers O and U, but how it is coming? A, C, F, J. So here I have written up to A to Z. Okay. So here after A directly there is C. So there is one gap. Now from C we have F. There is two gaps, D and E. Now from F we have J. There are three gaps. 1, 2, 3. So after J there will be four gaps. So four gaps means K, L, M, N. After that your answer will be O. So here first gap is O. Now after O there will be five gaps. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So final answer is your U. So first one is one gap, then we have two gaps, then we have three gaps, then we have four gaps, and last one we have five gaps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and final answer is U. So the next two will be A, C, F, J, O and U. Okay. Number 9. In a certain code, teacher is written as V, G, C, E, J, G, T. Then how children written in this code? So your teacher is written as V, G, C, E, J, G, T. You have to write down the code for the children. Now the rule is, here you can see teacher, how you're getting this code. So you have to add +2. After T, if you add 2, you will get V. Because T, U, V. Then E, F, G, one gap. Then A, B, C, one gap, +2 actually. C, D, E. Then H, I, J. You're getting this J. E, F, G, one gap. And R, S, T, one gap. So you have to write down the coding for children. So children also same coding, one gap. After C, D, E. So answer will be E here. H, I, J, J. I, J, K. It will be K. L, M, N, N. D, E, F. Then R, S, T. E, F, G. And N, O, P. So it is one gap, or you have to add 2. Anything you can do. The last one is, this one is a box type. Here some alphabets and some numbers are written. FP 22, GN 21, JE 15, and PK. This one is gap. That means here you have to write down which number is coming. So how? So as you all know, you can write like this way. A is 1, B value is 2, C value is 3, D value is 4, and like that way Y value is 25 and Z value is 26, and here dot dot dot. I have not written on the values, but you can write it down. So how here F and P value is coming 22. If you can see F plus P, F value is 6, because here A, B, C, D, E, F. So F is 6 and P value is 16. So if you add, you will get 22. So here it is 22. Now G plus N. So here G plus N, G value is 7 and N value is 14. If you add 21. So here it's 21. J plus E. J value is 10 and E value is 5. So it's coming 15. So here it's 15. And the last one, K plus P. That you have to write down. K is 11 and P is 16. So if you add, you will get 27. So here it will be 27. Okay, so I hope it is clear to all of you. And before ending this video, again, I would like to tell that on Friday, I'm going to upload one worksheet. Okay, on does it look the same? That means symmetry. So download the PDF and do it. And afterwards, I will give the solution of that worksheet. And one more thing, many of you are telling that some of the videos, it's looking hazy, very hazy. So for this, you have to do one thing. Whenever you are watching the videos on YouTube, okay, ইউটিউবের রাইট হ্যান্ড সাইডে একদম টপ কর্নারে একটা সেটিংস বলে অপশন থাকবে। ওকে, যখনই তোরা ভিডিওটা ইউটিউবে দেখছিস, ইউটিউবের রাইট হ্যান্ড সাইডে টপ কর্নারে সেটিংস বলে একটা অপশন থাকবে। সেই সেটিংসে ক্লিক করার পর ওখানে কোয়ালিটির একটা অপশন থাকবে, ওই কোয়ালিটিটাকে অটো করে নিবি। আবার বলছি, ইউটিউবের রাইট হ্যান্ড সাইডের টপে সেটিংস থাকবে, সেই সেটিংসে ক্লিক করার পর ওখানে কোয়ালিটি থাকবে, সেই কোয়ালিটিটাকে অটো করে নিবি, অটো একটা অপশন থাকবে, অটো করে নিবি। তাহলে হয়তো ভিডিওগুলো ক্লিয়ার আসবে, যে ভিডিওগুলো হেজি আসছে। আই হোপ ইট ইজ ক্লিয়ার। সো টুডে আপ টু দিস মাচ, থ্যাংক ইউ।